Hello everyone, good morning one and all. In last class, I completed trigonometry chapter and revised revision also. Revision of trigonometry chapter. Okay. In next week, I'll start objective class of trigonometry. In this session, I'll discuss new chapter, that is chapter number 4, that is PMI. Okay. PMI. PMI means Principle of Mathematical Induction. Here there is two types of reasonings is there, that is induction and deduction. Inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. Here inductive reasoning means first we have to, for any concept, first you have to tell statement and then you have to give examples. Here inductive reasoning means first you have to tell examples and then you have to give the statement. Okay, so very simple, deduction and induction. Induction means first that is examples and then statement. Okay, deduction means first statement then examples. This is the difference between induction and deduction. Okay, that is principle of mathematical induction. This is the, for mathematical statements we have to give the inductive reasoning, that is called principle of mathematical induction. Okay, principle of mathematical induction. Okay, here one principle is there. The principle means, that is the given statement, the given mathematical statement, principle. Here principle, the given mathematical statement should be denoted as P of n. P of n. Okay, the given mathematical statement can be denoted as P of n. For step 1 means, that is for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, the given mathematical statement denoted as P of n. Okay, and for n is equal to 1, P of n is true. P of n is true. Okay, for step 2, for n is equal to k, for n is equal to k, P of k is true. P of k is true. For n is equal to 1, P of 1 is true. For n is equal to k, P of k is true. Okay, step 3. Step 3 means, we have to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. Okay, we have to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. Okay, this is step 3. And finally you have to step 4, that is P of n is true for all, P of n is true for all natural numbers. Okay, this is the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, so that is principle here. Whatever statement they'll give, the given statement should be denoted as P of n. Here 4 steps will come. Okay, for step 1, put for n is equal to 1, I have to check P of 1 for LHS and RHS. For LHS and RHS should be equal, then P of 1 is true. We have to assume n is equal to k. We have to assume n is equal to k, therefore P of k is also true. And finally we have to prove that we have to prove that p of k plus 1 is true for final. So that is Pn is equal to 1, p of 1 is true, for n is equal to k, p of k is true, and finally p of k plus 1 is also true. Totally p of n is true for all natural numbers. This is principle of mathematical induction. I will take one example or one problem. Observe clearly. Here very standard forms is there. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus so on plus n square. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus so on plus n cube. First, I will take these are the three very standard forms. That is, prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n. Prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n. Therefore, n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is one mathematical statement. This mathematical statement we have to prove by using PMI. Okay, this mathematical statement is true by using PMI. Already I told children the given statement can be denoted as P of n. P of n equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. The given statement can be represented as P of n. Now for step 1, for n is equal to 1, see wherever n is there, here n is there, 1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2. This implies 1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2, 2 to cancel. Therefore, LHS equals RHS. P of 1 is true. P of n is true. For assume n is equal to k. P of k equals to, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k equals to k into k plus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, P of k is also true. Next, we shall prove that P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. We shall prove that P of k plus 1 is true. That means we have to take this LHS. Consider the LHS. Consider that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k and plus I have to prove P of k plus 1 is true, no, and I have to take k plus 1. Okay, this wherever k is there I have to extend up to k plus 1. That is, this value is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus k. This value is k into k plus 1 divided by 2 plus k plus 1. Here take the LCM, that is k into k plus 1 into plus 2 of k plus 1 divided by 2. K plus 1 is common, k plus 1 is common, remaining is k plus 2 divided by 2. This implies k plus 1, k plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 divided by 2. See children, p of k plus 1 is true. See, I proved k is there, k plus 1 is there, k is there, k plus 1 is a plus 1. Okay, therefore p of k plus 1 is true. Hence, therefore p of n is true for all natural numbers. See children, once again observe, this is a very definite gunshot question. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n equals to n into n plus 1 divided by this one can be represented as p of n. For n is equal to 1, n is LHS and RHS, n is equal to 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2, 1 is equal to 2 by 2, 2 cancel, 1 is equal to 1, p of 1 is true. Assume that n is equal to k. P of k 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k equals to k into k plus 1 divided by 2. P of k is also true. Finally, we have to prove that p of k plus 1 is true. We have to prove that p of k plus 1 is true, no? We have to take LHS of p of k. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k and extension of this up to k plus 1 plus k plus 1. Substitute this value here is there. K into k plus 1 divided by 2 plus k plus 1. K into k plus 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 divided by 2. Here k plus 1 is common. Remain is k plus 2. This k plus 1 as it is. K plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 divided by 2. Observe the children. Here n is there. What is there here? K plus 1. Here n is there. What is there? K plus 1. Wherever n is there, your to n is replaced by what? K plus 1. Therefore, p of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, for all natural numbers, p of n is true. Okay. Pass. P of n is true for this is solution about this problem. Okay, so here 3 gunshot questions is there. Very 3 gunshot questions. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Another gunshot question is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. That is second gunshot question. Third gunshot question, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on n cube equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Okay, these among these. So among these 3 gunshot questions, one gunshot question is 100%. Okay, so this is the one important question you have to practice 2 times and you have to send me. Okay, today I am concluding the class. Okay, thank you one and all.